Dr. Michael Breus's research shows that your chronotype determines a 4-hour window of peak cognitive performance each day. Working against your chronotype can reduce output quality by up to 30%, even when hours are identical. Track your energy levels every hour for 2 weeks on a 1 to 10 scale. Pattern recognition reveals your personal prime time, the hours where focus comes naturally. For most people, it's either 8 to 12 a.m. or 10 to 2 p.m. This window is sacred and non-negotiable for deep work. Create 4 task categories: creative, high energy; strategic, medium high; administrative, medium low; and mindless, low energy. Map each category to the corresponding energy window in your day. Creative work in peak hours, email in the post-lunch slump. You can't manage energy without renewal. Build micro-recovery into your day. 5-minute walks between tasks, proper hydration. Dehydration cuts cognitive performance 25%. Strategic caffeine timing, never within 90 minutes of waking, and a 20-minute power nap if your schedule allows. Setting up an energy-aware Google Calendar with color-coded blocks matching energy levels, automated scheduling suggestions, and a weekly energy audit spreadsheet. Start the 2-week energy tracking experiment today. Download my free energy tracking template from the description and discover your hidden power hours.